What's up, YouTubers? It is I, Brian Hicks, the dislocated shoulder fan collector. How are y'all doing today? Unfortunately for me, my shoulder's been dislocated now for 3 weeks. And this is the first time I've been out here in the fan shop. Thank you, Gracie. I appreciate you doing that. Thanks for knocking over that. I really appreciate that. Yes. You're a good cat most of the time. Oh yeah, you really like that. Anyway, so this is a early 80s, maybe late 70s Emerson heat fan. I can't remember if it is labeled Sears and Roebuck or not. You quit with the claws all over me. Quit. You're hurting. Quit. Quit. Stop it, please. Anyway, 36-inch each fan. This one is unique because I've never seen one of these with 2 speeds. So it is high off, low off, or it might be low off. I think that's high. Go low first. Yeah, that's low. Low winds up around 160 RPM. And I'm sorry, I'm sitting down and I'm actually in quite a bit of pain. Somebody left a hand truck in the middle of my driveway, and I tripped over it in the middle of the night. Was not fun. Okay, so that's low speed. That's high. Oh, good lord. I may have pulled that chain just a little hard. Man, was it ever going to stop swinging and swaying? Holy crap. That's actually kind of fun. I'm not worried about it falling or anything, but that's pretty funny. Alrighty then. So anyway, it has completely silent bearings, and it also runs completely silently. I mean, it's very surprising. It is absolutely silent. There's no motor noise at all, and that's actually very, very, very surprising because these are metal on metal on metal on metal with metal blade brackets, and then plastic or fiberglass blades, and these are the fiberglass variant. And wow, that was pretty funny with the swaying. I swear it was. But anyway, here's the spin down. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but we'll try to see it to the end. Oh, see, I'm kind of sitting here at an angle. That's the reason why it sways so much when I pull that. Okay, trying to settle it down. Here we go, almost good enough. But yeah, I like this little fan. Unfortunately, it is already sold. I'm out of work right now. Probably will be for the next month and a half or so until my shoulder gets better. We don't know if we're going to have to do surgery on it yet or not. Because I can only move it a little bit. I ripped some tendons, ligaments, which are really the same thing, and muscles. And it was not a fun time. But I really appreciate y'all for watching this, because if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be doing this. We are almost up to 740 subscribers. I think we're like 738 now. That just blows my mind. 738 people are watching these videos. And I cannot tell you how much I appreciate it. Thank you. And the dislocated fan collector out.